Click on File and New. Select Template and click on Create. Click on File and place Embedded. Select Image and click on Place. Create duplicate. Click on Filter, Blur and Gaussian Blur. Radius for pixels. Click on Layer Mask. Select Quick Selection tool and click on Select Subject. Click on Select, Modify and Feather. Feather radius 10 pixels. Click on Image Mask. Make sure foreground color black and press Alt plus Backspace. Deselect the selection. Select Brush tool and follow the process. Opacity 50%. Click on Adjustment Layer and Brightness Contrast. Adjust the brightness and contrast. Click on Adjustment Layer and Solid Color. Change Blend Mode Normal to Overlay. Opacity 10%. Again, click on Adjustment Layer and Solid Color. Right-click and click on Convert to Smart Object. Click on Filter, Render, and Lens Flare. Adjust this plush point in center. Click on 50 to 300 mm zoom and brightness 100. Change Blend Mode Normal to Screen. Right-click and click on Rasterize Layer. Opacity 80%. Click on Adjustment Layer and Solid Color. Click on Image, Adjustments and Invert. Make sure foreground color white. Select Brush tool and follow the process. Change Blend Mode Normal to Overlay. Opacity 60%. Select Horizontal Type tool. Font size 150. Font name Poppins. Font style black. Hold down Alt and drag it down. Hold down Shift and select. Select Horizontal Type tool and follow the process. Again, select Horizontal Type tool and Font name Poppins. Font style medium. Font size 24. Place your logo here. This is the final result. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tutorial.